person? What makes a person get up in the morning and want to do what they're going to do? And the sort of questions we're trying to ask is, how long is somebody going to stay in a job? What are their actions going to be based on their thought processes? What sort of job assignment is best for this person? Do they want to travel? Do they want to work in a team? Are they a sole operator? Do they need to be in charge of the team? How do they operate under stress? Does this person need to be in a plane every week? You know, yeah.
With these kinds of questions, do you, if you're using it in a job interview, which you just applied, do you, in effect, announce that you are using NLP?
To my candidate?
Yes.
Absolutely not. No, of course not. I mean, you've got to ask them the question and see what they say. Here's my thought about job interviews, and I've, been around long enough to say this. I think most interviewers ask really stupid questions. Yeah. They ask you a question like, why are you better than the other person I can hire? Or why will you be good at this job? Or what value will you bring to this company? These are questions that anybody who's had more than 3 interviews in their life should be expecting and has already prepared an answer to. And by definition, if the answer's been prepared, how good an answer can you get? So you need to ask questions where there's absolutely no way they know where they're coming from. So if I ask you a question like, tell me about your favourite restaurant in Hong Kong, why is it your favourite restaurant? You cannot give me a tailored answer until you understand what the answers mean. But the response you give me tells me a lot of information about what motivates you and what sort of job you want. And I've done this on very senior executives globally, and it just blows them away how much I can tell them about themselves from a few questions. Even literally looking at 2 mojitos, I've asked somebody the relationship between those 2 mojitos and told them how long they'd stay in a job. Now we're not going into those ones today, but these are the sort of questions you can ask. And people, there's no right or wrong answer, there's no way you can tailor your answer. So I think when you're asking questions, you want to try and keep it out of people's conscious awareness. You want to try and make it something they can't have planned. And then you really get a lot of insight into the person.